This the recipe. The Panda Express and one of these. They even had a teriyaki flavor as well, but this is my flavor. No teriyaki, regular chicken flavor. So this is what we got. So just to show you. So the Panda Express, we got the sriracha sauce. And one thing I did get from Panda Express, I always get extra forks and spoons, always. They give you the fortune cookie. So we see to the side. Something you can get sick anything. So I got the extra teriyaki sauce, soy sauce. There's one more in the bag. We don't need the bag. The juice kind of wasted on it. So the juice wasted a little bit. So I know y'all want me to hurry up, huh? So my area a little clean. So this is the only way I can eat this soup noodle is with mayonnaise. I use the cheap one. Use the cheap one, the first 3 mayonnaise. I'll be like, how much mayonnaise you use, bro? I just like mayonnaise. One female told me, oh, that's that jailhouse. That's why I got it from. I guess that's where I started eating it from. When they used to go to the store and they give you the soup, and when they give you the soup, I always got the chili pack. The chili pack was my favorite one. But you put that mayonnaise in there, and that mayonnaise make it fire. The mayonnaise give it that kick, make it that fire. Just an easy, quick meal. Loosen up all the mayonnaise up in here. But I guess I didn't put enough water in there because they cooked it, but and I used chicken broth. I didn't even use water, y'all. Sticking together. See what I'm saying? That's how we gotta break it up, man. Just to season it. Cause I use the chicken broth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit that because it's taking too long now. So now, I want to put this back up in there. Oh yeah, boom. Taking a little longer than expected. So I'm gonna have to edit this to zoom it fast and forward. So now while we putting that on in a little minute. So now we're gonna take some of this. We're not gonna take all of it, but we're gonna take half of this out. And that's a little snack for tomorrow. Almost dropped it, but that's a little snack for tomorrow. This really too much, to be real with you. This too much. Cause you eating the noodles too. You gotta think you eating the noodles too. So you gonna get full just off of the noodles too. You know what I'm saying? So that's enough. And this just enough for tomorrow. This enough for tomorrow. Feel me? Yeah. You gotta learn how to stretch food. Especially when it's just you. You know, this is a good meal. This is a gourmet meal. This that chicken alone. And so tomorrow, I could make some tacos out of the rest of it. You know what I'm saying? I forgot that's up in there. Let me put this in the refrigerator. I gotta edit now. See what I'm saying? I'm supposed to put it on pause. But we got the camera, we got it going. Y'all just, it's all, it is what it is, huh? Really, I don't need to edit. You know what I'm saying? Content is content. What you gonna edit for? What you gonna edit for, bro? See what I'm saying? Boy, this chicken flavor tastes good too, bro. I'm not putting nothing else in it, like, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna rock it out like this. When I put the chicken up in there, I'm gonna put the soy sauce on there. Put the soy sauce on there. And we gonna put the soy sauce. And y'all be like, well, how you? And this for the record. I clean my wheels with this. I usually get the lights off, but I clean my wheels and I wash my hands. But when I'm prepping some other food, I still clean my wheel, wash my hands, and I put gloves on. But this just me right here, and I know I'm, you know what I mean? Like, it cost me like $10, $11, man, for that. It was like $9, man. That shit come out to $9. Now we got that warm, and we're gonna throw that up in here. You know, throw that up in here. I know, huh? Now that's looking like some hibachi, huh? Yeah, that's looking like some hibachi, huh? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. And you know the other pack, they give you the teriyaki sauce come with the other pack. You feel me? But ain't nothing like it. And I don't want to put too much, you know? I don't want to put too much. Just want to put it over the meat, though. And now we're going to come over with the teriyaki sauce. Feel me? just want to hit the meat. We really just want to touch the meat with the teriyaki sauce. That's all. Just touch the meat with the teriyaki sauce. Bam. Wow, yeah. What you know about this, boy? Man, what you know about that? Bam, what you know about that, boy? What you know about that, boy? Now y'all want to know, well, how is it, man? What it tastes like? Is it good? What it tastes like? Is it good? Y'all want to know? Let me get right in the middle of the camera. Get right in the middle. In the middle. Don't know what y'all missing, boy. I didn't mean to put that much. Gotta throw a little sriracha. I didn't mean to put that much. Just a little and a little on me. You don't need that much. I be putting some meals together. I go buy their protein. I go buy it from them other places. See, I made Chipotle fried. Now I just made my own teriyaki bowl using the shish kebab bowl.